De La Cruz here. I'm super excited. You know, I'm with my man Rick. He got a helicopter. He's a pilot, and it says obviously Body by Vi, Project 10, Visalis, and we're about to go up in the sky. So, whoa, shoot. Okay, he's gonna let me drive. I have no license, never done it before, and I'm gonna drive all by myself. Nah, just kidding.
All right, lean forward.
All right, move forward.
Alfonso was in here last, so you may have to adjust the seatbelts. Wait, get him more one. There we go. Let me lift this up.
Shell, come closer. And today I decided that I got something new on my live list. I'm gonna get my pilot's license, and I'm gonna buy one of these choppers.
I'll let you do that.
I've been on a Blackhawk before, but not this one. Woo! Ready?
Right.
Bye life.
Can I stand over here or am I going to get blown away?
You'll get blown away, but the big thing is I don't want you to get close to the rotor blades.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't want to.
You got white pants on.
Say hi, guys.
Sup? Living that Vi life.
My life, baby.
Yes.
Yeah, it's gonna be like a 10-minute warm up.